This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chalk the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Removal. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Remove the exhaust pipe from the manifold and catalytic converter. Looking up from the bottom of the engine bay, this is the view of the starter that you'll have. The small blue connector is the solenoid lead, and the large green covered lead is the main battery cable. Press the tab on the blue connector, unplug the solenoid lead, then detach the clips securing the leads to the starter. Remove the intake manifold support bracket. Remove the starter upper mounting bolt. Remove the lower mounting bolt. Guide the starter out of the engine. With the starter lowered, detach the leads from the starter motor. Installation. Position the starter to connect the electrical connections. Snap the solenoid lead onto the starter, then connect the main battery cable and tighten the nut securely. Pull the rubber insulator over the terminal. Guide the starter back up into place. Install the lower mounting bolt. Lift the starter up and down slightly to reduce the tension on the bolt as you tighten it. Lightly tighten the lower bolt. Install the upper mounting bolt. Tighten the starter mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Reconnect the electrical connectors. Install the intake manifold support bracket. Tighten the bolts securely. Check and make sure the donut gasket, flange gasket, is in place on the exhaust manifold. Install the exhaust pipe back onto the manifold and catalytic converter. Tighten the exhaust fasteners to the specified torque settings. Install the under-vehicle splash shield. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Release the parking brake. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.